Hi, so my name is Claudia Estrada, and this is my introduction for CJS 350 AE Emergency Management. So my name is Claudia Estrada. I'm 23, and I am in my senior year or last year of undergraduate at CBU. I'm doing online only. I am majored in criminal justice. I still am unsure of what I want to do. Three things that I would like to share about myself is that I'm family oriented, and only child, and I'm married. I do work full time at a charter school in San Bernardino. Um, that's pretty much it. I mean, I have 3 dogs that I really love, and I mean, my hobbies are mainly like traveling. For the most part, as of right now, I am married through the state, but I am planning my wedding through the church. Unfortunately, with everything that happened, I had to postpone it. And yeah, I mean, it's been a really tough time. And I do work full time, but at the current moment, I'm part time only. My hours were cut in half. So, um, I hope to pursue something within my career. I do love working with kids, mainly older ones. I mean, I enjoy the little ones too, but I feel like I like to speak with older ones where you can motivate them and, let them know that even if they live in a rough area, or sometimes I know that it's rough at home. Because mainly where I work at, actually, I work with a lot of kids that come from homes that live in rough areas, really rough areas actually. And I like to talk to them sometimes and let them know that just because they feel that, they grew up like this doesn't mean it has to be their path and their future. And, there's a lot of smart kids out there, and I wish they knew there was more out there for them. So, I do know that I like working in that field. Hopefully I can implement my career with that. Um, so yeah, and then here's a picture of my motivation, which are my parents and my husband. Um, and yeah, that's basically my introduction. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.